We are starting today with a deep right side part, and then I'm going to come over 1 to 1.5 inches so that I have a small section coming from the front of her forehead to the back of her crown. I'm just fixing the part until I have it mostly straight, and then I'm going to loosely secure this little area out of the way for now and make another part from that part line all the way to right behind the ear. The rest of the hair I'm going to secure out of the way into a ponytail for now so that I don't accidentally incorporate it into my style. And this side style, which you can see where the part is, I am going to loosely also secure it for now. We're going to come back to this little 1-inch section and we are going to create a cornrow. I am just using a little bit of spray gel and I'm going to take a small section up front. From here, this small section I'm going to separate into 3. And I'm going to bring one side section under the middle section. The other side I'm going to bring under the middle. Coming back to the other side, bringing it under the middle, and then I'm going to add a small amount of hair once I brought it under the middle and pull it tight. And then I'm going to bring the hair under the middle again, add a small piece of hair, and I'm going to keep going with this. If you need a tutorial on a Dutch braid or simply how to do the pattern of this type of braid, I do have tutorials on YouTube and you can just look up how to Dutch braid a toddler hair. Again, bringing the hair underneath the middle strand, adding a piece of hair, pulling it tight. Underneath the middle strand on the other side, adding a strand of hair, pulling it tight. It's really important that when you're doing this little cornrow that you stay close to the scalp and keep it tight as you go. It will just look a lot better and a lot neater when you get to the back. I'm getting towards the back. When you run out of hair to add in at the back, you're going to do a couple more stitches underneath, like 2 or 3, and then I'm going to take out this side section. I'm adding a little bit of extra water and spray gel because it's been a few minutes and it's starting to dry a little bit. From here, I'm going to take a strand of hair from the front of her forehead to the back, and I'm going to add it to the outer side of my braid. I guess it'd be considered the inner portion of my braid now. And then I'm going to bring the other side underneath without adding any hair and bring the inner side underneath again and add hair. This is a headband braid, and I also have a basic tutorial for just a headband braid. Basically what you do with a lace headband braid is you only add hair when you go under on the one side. So you'll see me not adding hair on this side, and then when I bring the other side under, I'm going to add a strand of hair. And then coming in on the outside, I don't add any hair. Coming under on the inside, I do add hair. Now, I prefer to use a comb because I feel like I get neat lines, and it's easier for me to comb it out as I go. It's just easier for me to keep the style neat when I use a comb, but you can use your finger if you want to. Again, I'm adding hair to this inside strand, and then the outside strand, when I bring it under, no hair. Inside strand under, add this last little bit of hair, and then I'm going to braid it down just a little bit. And then I'll grab an elastic and come right underneath that last stitch where I added in hair and pull it tight. From here, you can take out the back part of the ponytail, and that is your finished style. I hope you like this one. It's a really cute and unique style. Here's the finished look.